me, your friendly neighborhood Deacon, Deacon Gene, and welcome to a special Tuesday shave. Why? Well, got several reasons. First of all, I want to thank everyone for their kind words and reaching out and their condolence messages on the passing of our Granny G, Miss Gina. Thank you so much. It means a lot to the family. It really does. And I want to give a special shout out to Bary at Texan Shaves for the offer of the window units that he's got. He said he'd bring them down to me. He's got them. Well, hopefully American Home Shield will be here today and fix the air conditioning. So Bary, thank you so much. I really appreciate the offer. All of this ties in to the theme shave for today. And that just says that no matter what's going on, there's always someone there and that you're never alone. Yeah, that's it. Never alone today. It gives new meaning to that no matter what's going on, there's always somebody there. So don't give up. Reach out. If you need to, you got my emails in the profile. Reach out to me. I'm here. Anyway, that's it. Never alone. A lot of people involved in this year. Razor Company, Ariana and Evans. I know that Heather over at Zingari Man got in on it with helping out. Carve, the razor people, aka Brushworks, got in on it. Everybody's supporting this. It's a big charity. It's a big cause. J-Mac, Ken, Peter, the list goes on. So anyway, never alone. Always remember that. You're never alone. And that's what we're doing. We've got our shave today. Our software, never alone. Never alone. And of course, never alone. Hardware. Missed out on a brush this year, but I do have my Never Alone brush from last year. Wasn't able to pick up a brush this year, but I did grab something else. The Bison Special Never Alone Edition. Pretty nice looking. I love that blue and that purple in there. Good stuff. And let's talk about the scent, shall we? And the pour. Wow. What's that in there? That's a pick to pull out your shave soap that you're using. That's new. But the scent on this, oh man. Besides bourbon, you guys know I like lime. This is lime. And it's not just that tart, grab you back here, say, lime. It's that lime and more. It's a soft lime. It's like several different layers of lime that's in this. And I like that. That's nice. So, good stuff. I'm going to go make a lather. I'm going to be right back. Hey, I'm back. I finished making the lather. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Plenty of it. So, anywho. I looked at the back of the guitar pick. It's got the emergency number 988. That's the suicide prevention line. Your life is worth living. Don't go there. Call somebody. Call a hotline if you need to. Never Alone stands behind these hotlines. Stands behind the concept of always being able to talk to somebody. So, you're never alone. Just keep keep that in mind. Anyway, let's get to the shave, shall we? Just finished taking care of 2 of the 3 S's before I made the lather. Not while I was making the lather. That would have been nasty. Anyway, let's get some hydration on the face, because we all know hydration's important. Let's get some of this. Wow. The lime explodes even more in this once the lather's on. Oh man. So we're probably going to hit another triple-digit day today. So hopefully American Home Shield shows up. Let's get to the shave, shall we? This is a definite Ariana and Evans. I would say Ariana and Evans base. Let me take a quick look, see what I can see, if I can see anything. Shea butter. Not seeing any tallows or anything. This might be one of Peter's vegan bases. But Peter's vegan bases are outstanding. Now, unfortunately, or fortunately as the case may be, this is sold out. But excuse me. It's got a nice glide, nice cushion. And this bison, nice. It's a mild feel. Not a lot of blade feel. But that's not a bad thing. It's doing a pretty good job, I think. All right, let's see how everything combined in the first pass, shall we? Why not? Not bad. We're going to do a second pass. Being this is the first use of the razor, I've got an Astra blade in there, which is usually my go-to for new razors. But of course, the manufacturer absolutely positively recommends something else. Here we go, second pass. Let's go against. The Bison's a lightweight razor, not bad. It's a 3-piece design. But the interesting thing about it is how they've got the lather channels designed. Very different. Very, very different. At least that's my opinion. It's very different. Bowling night tonight may not happen. I had an electrical fire up at the lanes, which knocked out all the power and everything between lanes 1 and 20. Which is where both of my leagues bowl. So it might be an early night for me. You never know. Let's do a quick residual. Plenty of residual slickness in this. Good stuff. Whichever base this was that Peter used, awesome stuff. So what I finish here today, heading into the office. And for those of you who go into wet shaving way back, I mean, even further than Sinatra Lennon, you know, Charles Roberts days, you may remember the name Mike Sandoval. Well, Mike and I not only bowled together, but we worked together. He's celebrating a birthday today. Well, actually, his birthday was Friday, but we're all going out as a department to celebrate today. So, happy birthday once again, Mike. Mike used to do a shaving blog and stuff. Well, Shaving 101. A little spot here I need to. Yeah, that's the residual. Not just water. That's a cleanup. And that's that's a shave. That's done. And our rinse were good. Real nice. Let's get the never alone towel. Let's give a towel dry real quick. Hands. And I'm bad so crazy, you know that. No need for an Allen block, because no nicks, no cuts, no errors on this one. We're good. Toss. Over the back. I didn't have it against the wall, or it would have been in. Anyway, well, it's time to shake that aftershave. Shake that aftershave. Do a little lather. Do a little shave. Shake that aftershave. I know. Deacon's losing it today. That lime. Oh, that is a killer lime. Peter has the limes de Sicilia soap out there, but this, I think this is a better lime. But that's just my opinion. If you know, you know. And let's get a quick spritz on the old wrist. Where's the, there it is. I can bathe in this stuff. Anyway, that's our shave for today. Don't forget, no matter what's happening in life, there's always someone, there's always a hand out there. You're never alone. Call, email, whatever. Don't give up. You're never alone. That's our shave for today. Shaving is not one of the most exhilarating parts of your day. You might be doing something wrong. As always, be good to yourselves and to each other. We'll see you tomorrow for Italian Shave Day. Have a great day and smooth shaves. Ciao for now.
End of the day, you got it, man. Thanks to the shave.